In the early 1900s, in response to population growth and urban expansion, many local governments began adopting zoning laws regulating land use. In its landmark 1926 decision, Village of Euclid versus Ambler Realty Company, the United States Supreme Court upheld the relatively new practice of zoning as a valid exercise of a state's police power. Just 2 years later, in Nectow versus City of Cambridge, the court addressed limitations on government authority to adopt zoning regulations. Nectow owned a tract of land in the city of Cambridge, Massachusetts, that was surrounded by factories, a railroad track, and some residential properties. Nectow contracted to sell his tract to a buyer. While the transaction was pending, the city adopted a comprehensive zoning ordinance that divided the city into areas for residential, business, and unrestricted use. Although the majority of Nectow's tract fell within an area zoned for unrestricted use, a strip approximately 100 feet wide was zoned for residential use. Because of the zoning restriction on that strip, the planned buyer for Nectow's tract walked away from the sale. Nectow filed suit against the city, arguing that application of the residential zoning restriction to Nectow's strip of land violated the 14th Amendment by depriving Nectow of his property without due process of law. He sought an injunction instructing the city to allow construction of any type of building on the strip despite its residential zoning. The Supreme Judicial Court of Massachusetts held in favor of the city, upholding the application of the zoning ordinance to Nectow's land. Nectow appealed to the United States Supreme Court.